Hi guys, I'm Nisha from Perfect Home. So today I'm here at the unit at Punna Oasis. So 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. So this unit is have 62.45 square meters. So let's check it out. After you open the doors, you're gonna see the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area. It's nice and open wide, and then they have a laundry machine. They have a dining table right here, and they have a lot of storage, so you can put all the stuff in, so it doesn't look messy at all. And then it have a refrigerator, like huge refrigerator. And next to here is have separate, like separate from the kitchen and the living area. So let's check it out, the living area. So this is the living area space. So it's really nice open. So it's come with the AC as well, and then the TV, and then it's really comfy sofa right here. And next to it is have balcony. So you can see the pool view from here. So this is on the 8th floor, so it's kind of really high, and then you can see all of it. It's a different view to the pool area, and then the mountain view as well. Alright, let me show you guys the bedroom. So this unit is come with fully furnished, so don't have to worry about that. Alright, here's the bedroom. So it have a TV stand, and then it have cosmetic table, and then have working space as well. Of course, really nice view for the pool view from the window. And then right here I have a bed, and then I have a closet, quite a really big. So let me show you the bathroom. And of course the bathroom we have 2 doors. So this is from the bedroom area, and then so another door is can go to the kitchen area. So if your friends come in, so you don't want them to go to the bedroom, sorry, so you just make them go to a different door right here. Before I'm gonna end this video, so I want to show you guys the facility from this condo as well. I'm here at the pool, so it's really big, and just have 2 pools, so you can pick which one you want to jump in, and they have a fitness as well. So this condo is located really near Superhighway road from the Chiang Mai Lamphun, and then it's opposite the Big C Astra. So what do you guys think about this room? This room, 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom, 62.45 square meters on the Punna Oasis. Please like and subscribe on this video, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.